So students, see here one question is given on Hero's formula. An umbrella is made by stitching two 10 triangular pieces. ये देखो, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, पाँच और पाँच बैक साइड में, ऐसे 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस है ऑफ क्लॉथ ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स, अलग अलग. ये ग्रीन कलर है, ये ग्रीन है, ये ग्रीन है, ये रेड है, ये रेड है, 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स. ओके, ईच पीस मेजरिंग 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये जो है 20 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 50 सेंटीमीटर है और ये भी 50 सेंटीमीटर है. तो ये ट्रायंगल तैयार हो गया आपका. हाउ मच क्लॉथ ऑफ ईच कलर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दी अम्ब्रेला. तो इस अम्ब्रेला को बनाने के लिए कितना एरिया का हर एक कपड़ा यानी ग्रीन और रेड मान लेते हैं, तो कितना लगेगा. हाउ मच क्लॉथ ऑफ ईच कलर. ओके, सो solution. An umbrella is made by 10 triangular pieces, 5 of one color, 5 of one color and 5 of other color. ठीक है. So size of each triangular piece of measures 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. देखो ट्रायंगुलर है तो A इक्वल टू 50, B इक्वल टू 50, C इक्वल टू हम 20 लेते हैं. Therefore S इक्वल टू सेमी पेरीमीटर A प्लस B प्लस C अपॉन 2, that is 50 plus 50 plus 20 upon 2, so 120 upon 2, that is 60. Therefore area of one triangular piece by using Heron's formula. So it will be S into bracket S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So that is under root 60 into 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20. So that is 60 into this is 10 into 10 into 40. Okay, so we factorize this. I am writing this 6 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 4, that is 40. So this 10 can be taken out of square root, this 10 can be taken out of square root. 10 into 10 under root, this 4 can also be taken outside. 2 into square root of 4 is 2, root 6, that is 200 root 6 centimeter square. So this is the area of one triangular piece. Okay, therefore area of 5 triangular piece pieces of one color equal to, there are 5 pieces, 5 into 200 root 6, that is 1000 root 6 centimeter square, and area of 5 triangular pieces of another color equals to 5 into area of one triangular piece is 200 root 6. Okay, so this is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So students, here is another example. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. See, there are 16 tiles. This is one and this is another. So there are two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 tiles. So measurements of one triangular tile is given, which are triangular, the sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 पैसे per centimeter square. तो ये 16 टाइल्स को पॉलिश करने का कितना खर्चा आएगा वो आपको निकालना है. तो उसके लिए एक ट्रायंगुलर टाइल जो है उसका उसने तीनों साइड्स दिया है. सो फॉर वन ट्रायंगुलर टाइल लेट ए इज इक्वल 9 सेंटीमीटर, कोई भी एक सपोज 9 है, 28 है, ये 35 है, सपोज 28 एंड 35. सो एस इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 28 प्लस 35 अपॉन 2, that is 72 upon 2 means 36 centimeter. Therefore area of one tile equal to, using Hero's formula, s into bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So that is s is 36, 36 minus this 9, 36 minus 28, 36 minus 35. So that is, I am taking this 36 square root of, outside this square root of 36 is 6, 36 minus 9 is 27, 36 minus 28 is 8, and this is 1. Okay, so 6 into under root 9 into 3 into 8, right? So this is, take the square root of 9 as 3, 6 into 3 in under root 3 into 2 into 4, take the square root of 4 as 2, 6 into 3 into 2 under root 6. So 6 3 is 18, 18 3 2 is 36 root 6 centimeter square. 36 root 6. Root 6 is 36 into, the value of root 6 is 2.45, which comes 88.2 centimeter square. Therefore area of one tile is 88.2 centimeter square, and therefore area of 16 tiles equal to 16 into 88.2. Okay, so it comes 1411.2 centimeter square. This is the area of 16 tiles. Now here the cost of polishing the tile is 50 पैसे per सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर के लिए 50 पैसे बोले तो आधा रुपये, तो हम रुपए में आंसर लिखते. कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग ए टाइल इज इक्वल टू 50 पैसा पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और हाफ रुपया, रुपी हाफ है ना, रुपीज हाफ पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेयर, आधा रुपया खर्चा, 50 पैसे बोलता आधा रुपया. Therefore total cost of polishing 16 tiles, this will be equals to 1411.2 into half, आधा रुपया. Answer will be in rupees. So this is rupees 705.60, 705 रुपये 60 पैसे. This is the approximately answer. So total cost of polishing these 16 tiles will be 705 rupees and 60 paisa. Now see student, next question number 9 in 12.2 exercise again. Okay, so here a field is in the shape of a trapezium. Field is given in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter and 10 centimeter. These are two parallel sides of a trapezium. The non-parallel sides are 14 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the field. Complete trapezium का आपको area निकलना है because field is in the shape of a trapezium here. So students, to apply Heron's formula here, I am drawing a line which is parallel to this AD. ABCD is a trapezium. So you have to do one construction. Draw a line parallel to AD. So as this is 10, so this will be also 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter. Now here as this is 13, this will be 13 because this becomes a parallelogram. This side and this side is already parallel. I have constructed this, suppose CF parallel to DA. So this sides parallel, so opposite sides are parallel, so it's a parallelogram, and in parallelogram opposite sides are always equal, so this will be of 13 meter. Now as this is 10, total is 25, this is 10 meter, so it means from this to this it will be 25 minus 10, that is 15 meter. So FB will be 15 meter. Okay, so in a trapezium ABCD, draw CF parallel to AD. Okay, therefore I can write, therefore quadrilateral AFCD is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite sides are always equal. Therefore as AD equal to 13 meter, therefore CF equal to also 13 meter. Okay, and this is 14 meter already given. So now in triangle CFB, all three sides are known to us. So here A equals to 13, B equals to 14, C equals to 15. This complete is 25. Out of this 10 subtracted, so we are remain with 15. Therefore S equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2, that is 27 plus 15 upon 2. That is 42 upon 2 means 21. And therefore area of triangle CFB equals to under root S into bracket S minus A S minus B into S minus C, that is under root 21, S is 21, 21 minus A is 13, 21 minus B is 14, and 21 minus C is 15, that is under root 21 into 21 minus 13, that is 8, into 21 minus 14, that is 7, 21 minus 15, that is 6. So this is, I am factorizing this, 21, 3 into 7, 2 into 2 into 2 means 8, into 7 into 2 into 3. Okay, so this 3 can be taken out of the square root, 3 into this 7 can be taken outside the square root, 7, 2 into 2, that is this 2 can be taken outside, and this 2 also into 2. So this is 84 centimeters square. 7 3 21, 21 the 42, 42 to the 84 centimeters square is the area of this triangle CFB. So I can find out this height now as area of triangle FBC equal to 84 centimeters square, but half into FB into CN, half into base into height is equal to area of triangle FBC. So half into FB is 15, CN we have to find out, so 84, therefore CN equals to 84 into this 2 upon 15, therefore CN is equals to 11.2 centimeter. Okay, now this is your CN spread. Now area of this trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel side into this height. This is the height of the trapezium. Okay, therefore area of trapezium ABCD half into sum of the parallel sides 10, this is 10 plus this is 25 into height is 11.2, so this comes 196 centimeters square. Therefore area of this field whose shape is trapezium has area 196 centimeters square.